My experience with Sai Vishram Hotel is very unique, and I'm really blessed to have this experience in my life. I love cooking. I started developing passion towards healthy cooking by using varieties of millets and whole grains. Cooking, I enjoyed the whole process itself. The aroma from the food, the taste. Throughout the journey, I enjoyed cooking. I started cooking only after my marriage, so that time my mother-in-law helped me a lot. The one thing I wonder about her is she organized her kitchen and materials in a very well manner. So that I learned from her, of course, and I'm following that. I like to prepare the complete meal with full of nutrition. I make sure in one particular meal the nutrition required for that particular day has to be there. My message is that please include all the healthy options available to your kitchen. Starting it will be difficult, but once you started including in your family in a daily basis, you will find it more energetic in your day-to-day activities. That is how we felt actually. Here I met a chef who is having 40-50 years experience, and I learned few things from them. Garnishing, they did it very perfectly. I learned that from them. Overall, my experience is very good from Sai Vishram Hotel.